Hello viewers, Poco X7 Pro is a very good smartphone. For the 256GB version, you may have to pay around 26,700 rupees if you have credit card. This handset has very good cameras also. For the first time, you can shoot in 4K 60 FPS in Poco series, and also the camera quality is top notch. I have Poco X6 and the cameras on Poco X6 are not great. But here with this Poco X7 Pro, you can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS and you can see the quality. And it has all the necessary modes in the camera app, as you can see here: 50 megapixel, panorama, slow-mo, dual video, time lapse, etc. Next important feature of X7 Pro is the display. It has 6.7 inches AMOLED display and the quality, as you can see here, is top notch. You can enjoy your multimedia contents, and also the display has symmetrical bezels, plus it has Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, so you will thoroughly enjoy your display. X7 Pro runs on HyperOS 2.0 and you will have a lots of customizations. Actually, Poco and MI are known for customization options. If you like customization, you can customize lock screen, always on display, icons, fonts, notification effects, fingerprint effects, and wallpaper carousel. Is limited up to 10 seconds, so you will not get always on feature. So if you want always on display for 24/7, in that case you cannot get that feature in Poco X7 Pro. However, there are many always on display templates that you can actually use. If you talk about the processor of this smartphone, it comes with Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor, as a result of which the phone feels very snappy, and also the in-hand feeling of this smartphone is very good. If you closely look at the cameras, it gives a feeling of iPhone 16's camera look. But you have to remove the recommendation feature if you don't want to get unwanted apps or ads on your smartphone. You have to turn off show ads and personalized recommendation. Poco X7 actually runs on HyperOS 2.0 and there is an update already whenever I booted the device, and you can see that in the storage section 30GB is occupied out of 256GB. X7 Pro comes with fingerprint sensor, as you can see here. There are different types of fingerprint animation that you can choose according to your preference. These features actually give a fresh look to your smartphone. If you go into the display department, you can see that there are light mode and dark mode, and there are options that you can switch to dark mode in different kinds of apps. In the conclusion, Poco X7 Pro is a very good smartphone. It feels very sturdy in the hand, and also it feels very snappy with 120Hz of refresh rate, and also the in-hand feeling is excellent. If you are interested, I will make a dedicated video on camera test. So let me know in the comment sections below if you are interested to watch that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.